Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 7 from chapter 30 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, it says by calculating its wavelength, show that the first line in the Lyman series is UV radiation. Okay, let's start with what we know. It is the Lyman series. So that means n sub f is 1. We want the first line, so that means n sub I is 2. Right, n sub I starts at nf plus 1, and it can go on to infinity. All right, and so the equation is 1 over lambda is r, the Rydberg constant, times 1 over nf squared minus 1 over ni squared. All right, so lambda is 1 divided by r, and we might as well put in the nf. That's just going to be 1 over 1, and we'll put in the ni, 1 over 2 squared. Okay, so we better put in the r now. 1.097 times 10 to the 7, and it is per meter. And we have 1 minus 1/4. This gives a wavelength of 1.22 times 10 to the minus 7 meters. Let's convert it to nanometers. There are 10 to the 9 nanometers for every meter. And so the wavelength is 122 nanometers. Okay, the UV range is from 10 to 400 nanometers. Okay. And so this is UV. The 122 nanometers is UV. And that was the other piece we needed to show. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.